how's it going? My name is Dan Bach. I'm an ACE client, and we are here at the 2017 ACE Conference at the Jumping Brook Country Club here in New Jersey, and I've never been here before, but it's a spectacular place. My story with Amazon, I started selling in September of 2014, part-time while I was trying to finish my bachelor's degree. I graduated last May, and I was struggling with how do I switch from doing part-time and doing about $150,000 a year to switching to full-time and making a full-time income where I can support myself and also support my interests as an improv actor in the city of Chicago. So I heard about Sam through the Facebook groups. He was answering my questions for a couple of years, just intermittently, and then he came out with this product, the consulting experts, and I needed the help, so I ponied up the money for it, and it's been great. I love the fact that you can do the in-office visits once a month. You get to network with other sellers. When I first started selling, I was in Southern Illinois, and there were no other sellers around. I was the only seller that I knew other than on Facebook. And so having networking opportunities, having one-on-one coaching calls where I can ask questions, they look over my business because there's things that I don't know, and I don't know what I don't know. So I'm looking to grow, and I wanted to learn from somebody who's done a lot better than me. And I just, personally, I really like talking to the people. The staff at ACE is phenomenal. They're super open and just courteous and wonderful to work with.